we are from class C fifth semester. And now we are going to show to you about how to use the Prezi application to make the video of presentation. So, happy watching! Okay friends, before we begin the tutorial of using Prezi application, so for the first we need to know what is the Prezi application and what are the advantage and the weakness of the Prezi application. So for the first, what is the Prezi application? So Prezi application is the software or presentation software that can be used to make our presentation more interesting. And this application, we can use it through online and offline, so we can easily to convey our idea.
So this application has several advantages and also weakness. So let's learn one by one. So the first is we need to know what the advantage of this application. So there are several advantages, namely the Prezi application use the zooming user interface. That this is what made the software is unique and also has its own advantage. And the second is allowing Prezi users to zoom in and out of their presentation media. And the third is displays them that are more varied compared to PowerPoint presentation. Fourth, interesting when inserting more using zooming user interface technology. Fifth, it is simple when we making animation, or it is simple over top of making animations. And the last is a selection of the cool dance that can be downloaded online.
This application also has some weakness. For the first is because it's only use the ZUI technology or zoom display, so it looks monotonous. And then this application also difficult to enter the match symbol.
Now we are going to show to you what are the procedures to use Prezi application. So let's check it out.
So first of all that we need to do is searching the Prezi application in Chrome, and then please choose the Prezi present our video and create, and here we conduct to sync up, and then scroll and we sync up with the Google, and then we choose our account of Gmail, and the Prezi application will be synced up through our Gmail. And so here we can see that we have three choices for us. That is Prezi's video, Prezi's design, and Prezi's present. So now we are used the Prezi video. There are three choices for us. So to make the new video, we click it, and then we allow the camera, and our camera is already active. And then to put our slide into our video, we can click import, and then add from computer, and we choose our slide in our computer. So we need sometimes to import our PowerPoint or our slide. So our slide is already entered in our video. So here it's our slide. So to make it move for the next slide, we can click the next slide and automatically it can be moved. And then to record, we can click it and then start recording, and our video will be recorded in 3 times or 3 seconds. So and at this time we can record our video, and when our video is done, we can click done recording, and then there is a preview of our record, by click this, and in this preview there is a speeds of our video like 1, 1.2, 1.5, 2, and etc. So we can save video like that we want. And our video is already saved. And here we can share our video through link or download or share through Facebook, linked, Twitter, or Google Classroom, or copy link. And we can also record again our video through this feature, or we can delete it. So to delete, we can click delete and then yes, delete. So our video is deleted. And now we move to the second feature, that is Prezi present. So here there are 3 choices. To make the new presentation, we need to create from the template. And then there are some templates that can be used, like general, slides, or in business development, mastering, education, parent, and etc. So here we choose the education and we choose one of the templates. And we click it, and also there is a preview of this template. We can see here from the first slide until the last slide. So use this template and give the title of this template and click one of the choices and continue. So here this is the template that we have already choose. To choose or to replace the type or written of these templates, we can click 2 kali and then we type our text, and then we can also zoom this template and click or type some of the text. It is can be typed by from the topic until subtopic until the content of the subtopics. It is will be easier when it have a feature of zoom in this application. So after our slide already editing and ready to be served, so we can click presents and then have a Prezi video to give a link to make our video of presentation and then continue. And then there are some choices of us. The first is allow camera access. Here to make our camera active while the slides is front of us. And then the second is adjust your content, and not only adjust, it is how our content of slides can be moved while our camera is stay active. And the last is and then we can save it by click done meeting, and the procedure of save our video like in Prezi videos will be conducted here. And then we move into the last feature, this Prezi design. So we need to make the new design through some templates. Here we choose some of the templates that is slides. So one of the slides we click to create a new templates or design. And like the presentation before, there are some preview of this slide from the first slide until the last slide, and then we click use this template. We click the title of the slide and then choose one of the choices and continue. And then it is the slides that have been choose. To edit the text, we click to and then types the written text. So here we can edit our text through choose the fonts of the text. And then also we can also choose the fonts or size of the text. And we can also choose the position or editing the text through some feature of this. And here there are also some templates to give the new text. There are some charts, maps, and also icons of the pictures, and etc. So here I will choose the icons of the picture, the books icons, to put it in our slide. So we can't sliding our picture, and then we move into the next slide. We can change the title by typing our text, and then we can also change the chart of this slide through click this slide, and there is editing of these charts by click edits data, and we can choose the data of these charts. So here I choose I types the data of the students, while both of the male and female, so the charts will be changed automatically. And here we can also delete the data or charts through click the backspace in our keyboard. And here there are some features that can be used to edit our charts. And then we continue to the next is third slide. So here there is also the chart, so we can change the types of charts. There are some templates of the charts, so here we can choose one of them. So our charts will be changed automatically when after we click the charts that we want. So after video or slide are already served, so here there are some ways that can be used to save our video. So like presentation before, So this design also can be have a link with the Prezi video, so it can be served through the Prezi video.